Welcome to Jack TV, one of the best TV station online, on Google, on YouTube, MySpace, and everywhere. Right now I'm doing a computer class. As you can see, see where the title is say the computer class. Where I do computer class, I teach people, say what about computer, and I do the class in English and Creole, because I have a class, say that I'm teaching in Haiti also while I'm here. This is as you can see, this is a motherboard. This is a motherboard of a computer. All right, this is the fan here, and this is the socket, where you could plug more stuff, and as you can see, this is right there with my finger right there, I'm touching it. This is the memory. Let me take the memory out for you. I'm taking the memory out. This memory used to be back, they used to call this memory, they call this SDR. See the reason why, look at this, the way it is. You got 3 slides, got 1 and 3, it's 3 slides, SDR. So this memory, and that's what make the computer, when you open stuff, when you say you have memory on your computer, when you open stuff, that you can open more page. Ça c'est un memory. Côté m'a prendre tout haïtien, ça son memory ça. Côté m'sa te montre que notre premier par avant c'était un motherboard. C'est un motherboard, ça c'est un motherboard. Memory ça c'est là qu'on met dans computer là, c'est ça qui permet computer à marcher plus rapide. Là mettez là ouvre qu'à ouvrir plus page dans computer. Et ben les sons rester là toujours, m'a montrer nous plus bagaille de computer. I will show you guys more stuff about computer. And where this class, you will learn a lot different things. Click on more click where you see computer class if you want to learn about computer, and if you like to know more, you will be able to log into my Google setting stuff. Also, you could find out the name of it, but I will teach you also how to build a computer from scratch. Stay tuned. Remember this, I'm teaching people everywhere. Haïtien yo, m'a montré nous tout bagay qui nous capable servir avec computer, et qui nous capable ranger computer, qui nous capable build un computer. Eh bien c'est comme ça m'a fait. C'est comme ça n'allez chez m'gain là, mais besoin passer là tout haïtien qui moi gain et qu'on aime. OK, merci.